What's the price of a moonbeam? Or, more accurately, what's the price of lunar today? If you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies, or even if you're a seasoned investor, you might be wondering about this emerging digital asset. Let's dive into the details. Before we delve into the price, let's understand what lunar is. It's a cryptocurrency built on a blockchain platform that aims to revolutionize certain industries. It's designed to be fast, secure, and scalable. Factors affecting lunar's price. Just like any other asset, lunar's price is influenced by a variety of factors. Market sentiment, the overall mood of the cryptocurrency market, can significantly impact lunar's price. If the broader market is bullish, lunar's price may rise, and vice versa. Technological advancements. As the lunar team continues to develop and improve the platform, it can positively impact the token's value. Adoption and usage. Increased adoption of lunar for real-world applications can boost its demand and, consequently, its price. Regulatory environment. Government regulations can have a profound impact on the cryptocurrency market. Positive regulations can lead to increased investor confidence and price appreciation. News and events. Any significant news or events related to lunar, such as partnerships, collaborations, or major announcements, can cause price fluctuations. How to check the current price of lunar. Now, how do you check the current price of lunar? There are several reliable methods. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Most major cryptocurrency exchanges list lunar. You can simply go to the exchange's website or app and check the real-time price. Cryptocurrency tracking websites. Websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko provide up-to-date price information for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including lunar. Cryptocurrency wallets. Many cryptocurrency wallets display the current prices of the coins and tokens they support, including lunar. Why should you care about lunar's price? Whether you're a long-term investor, a day trader, or simply curious about the cryptocurrency market, understanding the factors that influence lunar's price can be beneficial. By staying informed, you can make informed decisions about your investments. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.